Coach, kumusta itong second tune-up nyo? Yun nga, talo kayo sa NLEX. But so far, how's the progression ng team and mga kailangan pang trabahuin?
Well, we like what we're seeing, the progress ng team namin. For now, we're in the stage that creating good habits and creating proper way of playing. Yung bagong sistema rin kasi sa kanila eh. So, for now, yun lang yung namin. Yun lang yung wino-worry namin. Yun lang yung gusto namin gawin. That's why we're doing this tune-up game, not really to win everything. We want to just to play the right way. Yun lang, whether we win or we lose the game. Now, marami kami nakita ulit, the things that we need to improve, especially down kami, bumabalik din sa tendency na yung sa mga hindi namin gustong gawin. So, yun lang. A good thing we're doing this kind of tune-up games also. And as for me also, diba, mga adjustments sa games, even mga rules sa game, timeouts, diba, gusto ko rin makita kung paano sa game. So, but overall, I like what I'm seeing in the team. We just have to continue doing things na mga gusto namin pagawa sa kanila and stay disciplined dun sa mga bagay na kailangan namin gawin. Yun lang. And I think we're gonna be better. We're gonna get better and we're getting better. Every day we're getting better. That's a good news about our team. Instead of us regressing, we're progressing. So hopefully, again, I'm not expecting naman that we're gonna be perfect right away in the first game, second game, maybe the third game. We just have to find ways to execute the things that we need to do. Yun lang. And then we'll see what will happen. The result will follow. So, it's a long conference. It's a long season, so a lot of room for improvement and for us to get better every day. Yun lang.
Coach, yung mention mo, nag-adjust ka pa sa personally, nag-adjust ka pa sa coach, pero tingin mo na nakikita ka ng parang comfortability sa paghawak mo ngayon ng Magnolia?
Paunti-unti siguro, pero again, as much as the team is learning from me, I'm still also learning it. So sabay-sabay kaming parang sabay-sabay kaming natututo dito. So, ako naman sa coaching, with all the match-ups, playing 5 players, right combinations, diba? So, marami pa akong kailangan matutunan, and I think the comfortability will come in if I know that my players are ready and well prepared. Kung nakita ko well prepared ng team namin, I think I'm comfortable with that. And that's my job, that's my responsibility for them to be prepared every day. So, tingin ko pagka well prepared kami, I think nandun yung comfortability sa akin.
Coach, kompleto na ba kayo? Si Gab Gomez na, nakapirma na?
Kompleto na kami. I think yan yung napasa namin na line yesterday.
Si Gab Gomez, pasok siya. Ano nakikita mo sa kanya?
Well, he's a steady point guard. He's a systematic point guard. The way I see him kasi he's very composed. He knows. He's a point guard. I mean, he's a leadership guard. I think yun ang kulang natin sa era ngayon. Everyone is a converted point guard. So now the way I look at it is really a point guard. So he's not looking to shoot. He's just there to stabilize and execute. But again, he's still young. A lot of room for improvement and experience pa. He's there to help Mark, Jerome, and Peter, and some of the players. Every practice is just extra body that can help and improve the players, especially the vets.
UPN
wala pa after NCAA pa yan.
Wala pa siya sa lineup mismo. Or nandun na rin?
I think wala pa. Kasi hindi pa yata pwede yun eh.
Pwede,
Hindi pa yata pwede. Okay.
Coach, thank you.